Hi guys, I am in Montreal. That's not really relevant to this video, but so I'm in Montreal, Canada right now because I'm on spring break. So there's a lot of snow out here because we're in Canada. I'm Canadian, if you guys don't, okay, not even relevant. So I'm on spring break right now, just like on vacation, and I totally blanked and forgot to do a video for this weekend. So I was like, you know what, let's go thrifting because there's a thrift shop kind of nearby. By the way, I look like a freaking unicorn. I tried to cover up my giant pimple, but it's like kind of still showing, but that's just life. Yeah, it's so pretty out here. I'm gonna bring you guys along because a bunch of you guys requested on Instagram for me to do a thrift with me, and I've been thrifting since I was like a young child because I had like no money and like that's just the way that I grew up. But now it's like trendy, so I'm like, okay, that's cool. That was a really long intro, but if you want more thrift with if you guys want more thrift with me, let me know. But otherwise, like this video, not just emotionally, subscribe, and if you do okay, you know what, whatever, you know, let's just get into the video. Let's go thrifting. Hi guys, it's so cold, but we're at Valley Village right now, and let's go inside. Hi, just got a basket. Oh, this is my friend Emily, by the way. The reason why I'm going thrifting is because I only wear like one of two shirts every day. This is like one of the two shirts that I wear every day. I'ma let you get the best of me. Hello, we out here. Found some kind of cool jeans that might fit me. Yeah, it's like size 2, which I definitely am not size 2, but it's like stretchy. Oh shoot. Oh, also I didn't mention that we're in, oh wait, I did mention that we're in Montreal, but everyone speaks French here, so I'm like, the one sentence that I can say fluently, like off the top of my head, is like, est-ce que je peux aller aux toilettes, s'il vous plaît? You know what that means. Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, but I can hold like a basic conversation in French, which is not really relevant to this video, but just cool facts about me. Okay, so I'm probably gonna try this on. Item number 1. Cool. I'm basically like a thrifting pro, so don't get too close because you can see my unicorn horn. So I am shopping in the jeans section right now because I'm actually looking for those like baggy cargo pants. It's like really trendy right now, like Kim Possible style. We out here. Okay, so I'm in the changing room now. This could be cute, but I think my legs are a little, need a little working out. I don't think so. Lol. No. I think these could be cool, actually. I kind of like them. So I had really high hopes for this because I really like this part, but it's kind of just weird and loose right here. Yeah, it's a no for me. I also had high hopes for these because I really like the little, I don't know if you can see, but there's like little ridges on here. Yeah, it just looks really, I don't know, not great. So everything is in French and I'm very confused. Like I thought I knew how to speak French kind of, and I come to a French city and I'm like, sorry, don't understand. Je ne comprends pas. Quoi? We're in the shirt section now. I don't really know what to expect. Ooh, this could be cute if it were cropped. Thrift shops are very hit or miss. Like you could like a design, but not like the type of shirt because it's from like 20 years ago. The cool thing is like the trends from 20 years ago are like in now. That's why. Okay, finishing my thought. The cool thing is that the trends from 20 years ago are like in now, so you can rewear the clothes, and that's why thrift shops are cool. Because you get my flow? I actually didn't really finish my sentence. Wait, what size is this? TG. What does that mean? What's TG? Oh, I think we're in the wrong section. We're in extra large. That makes a lot of sense. TG. Is this cute? If it were like cropped? I can't tell. Like it might be ugly though. Okay, I'll try it. You never know until you try it. Okay. I found this pretty cute sweatshirt, but I feel like it's kind of random because it's just this random like hockey team in Quebec that I don't even know. I was planning on cropping it, but it might be a little bit too short if I like cropped it. Okay, so I found this Adidas sweatshirt, but I think it looks weird. Like maybe if it were cropped it would look better, but yeah, I don't really like it. But I like this t-shirt. I tied it up. It's a Pittsburgh Penguins t-shirt and it's Crosby. We'll see, we'll see. Found this Looney Tunes t-shirt, but I don't know if I like it. I don't know. I mean, I really don't know what I was expecting with this. Kind of look like a boy in this shirt. Tell me why I look like Alex from Target. Like, I feel like this could be cute, but it's like not really. When you want to go to the beach, but you still have to be in school. I don't know. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. My arms are kind of losing blood right now. Lol, guys. When you want to look like the meal, but you end up looking like the picnic table. I don't know what I was expecting though. Like, it was either gonna be really cute or like picnic table. That made no difference. Okay, next. This is good to buy. Going back. Let's go out. Oh wait, not that I have a record player, but what happens if you like scratch it? Does it like not play properly anymore? Let's go. Wait, let me redo my like jump thing. Oh, I did it. That was like kind of high too.
La Carole va revenir. Et voilà pour vous.
Merci. I said merci. Yay, we made it. I said a total of 2 words. I was like, bonjour and merci. I was gonna be like all using my lingo and like, salut, but I didn't. We're done. I will see you guys in a second because I'll do a haul of what I did. Village de Value, wait, Village de Valeur. I'm French. I'm disgusting. Hi guys, I am back from the thrift store. It's actually the next day, hence why I look different. I told you guys that I'm in Montreal traveling right now, so I'm at my friend's house. I didn't even bring a tripod. I just propped you guys up on a bunch of books, and I am on a giant beanbag chair, which is really comfortable. I'm gonna haul for you guys my stuff that I got yesterday. Okay, so the first, I got a burp again. I had a lot of poutine. The first thing that I got was this Montreal Canadiens shirt. It's a NHL hockey team if you guys don't watch hockey. I'm obsessed with hockey. My main team is the Vancouver Canucks, but I thought this like looked like something Brandy Melville would sell, like if it didn't have the Montreal Canadiens symbol on it. It's like very like trendy looking right now. By itself, it kind of looks weird, but if I crop it, it looks better. I feel like I'm kind of betraying my hockey team, but like, whatever. This shirt was $6.49. Okay, so I got 2 red things. I like never wear red actually. So this is actually another like hockey team in Montreal. I saw the hoodie and I was like, this is kind of cute. I kind of want to crop it, but if I crop it, it might be too short. I don't know, we'll see. But I just thought it was really comfortable. I don't usually like wearing things that I don't know about. Like I don't know this hockey team, but I thought it was cute. This hoodie was $4.49. Ballin' on a budget. This shirt I was kind of like iffy about. Like I either could look like I'm working at like Walmart or it could be cute, like I don't know. But this one is like just a white collared shirt from Calvin Klein and it's $8.99, so I got that. Ooh, okay, I'm so excited for these. I think I showed you guys in the vlog clips, but I got a pair of pants. This is so ratchet. I got a pair of pants and these really remind me of something Brandy Melville would have, but these actually fit me because I like don't fit in Brandy Melville pants. These are $8.99. They're so comfortable and I think they're really cute. I don't have any pants that are like patterned. These are vertically striped, which kind of makes me look taller. I have to cuff them though, or else it just makes me look not good. Yeah! Okay, last but not least, I got a plain, just like orange t-shirt. Nothing exciting about this. I don't have anything orange, and I feel like orange is like kind of in right now. It's like a weird orange. It's like, not orange, like, just like orange. Also, oranges are like one of my favorite fruits. Don't know if you guys care. This one was $3.49. Oh, this kind of smells bad. Yeah, it's really loose, comfortable. I like tying this up. I mean, okay, let me backtrack. I will probably end up tying this up to make it like cropped. And it's a little bit plain, so I might like do a little bit of like, I think my brain is like fried right now. Okay, so I plan on, no, let me backtrack. Let me like form the sentence in my head first. Okay, I plan on like painting on this. I don't know why that took me so long to think about, but I really like this. I don't have anything like this. I feel like thrift stores are great to like try out trends or like things that you've never tried before because they're so cheap anyway. So it's like if you don't end up actually liking the trend, then it doesn't matter, you spent like $3 anyway. Yeah, that's it for my thrift with me / thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more, let me know because it was really fun for me to do. What else do I say? Oh yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe. Oh, shout out of the week is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time with a better quality video. Bye!